Salutations YouTube, it's Adrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. I'm sorry about the lighting, but the sun is literally like right here and attacking me. But I'm in the city of so they're Brea or Yorba Linda, but I'm on Imperial, and this is like the Goodwill that I'm at. It's a small store. I've been here once, maybe like 2 or 3 years ago. So this is gonna be yeah, like my first time back in years, which is very exciting. So first of all, if you guys love thrifting, thrift hauls, vlogs, home decor, cooking, I do post videos every single day. I'm on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here. Check out my store, itsHadrian.com, to see whatever sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's hop into that store and go check it out and see what we can find today. Let's go. All right, here's what the outside of the store looks like. Let's go inside and check it out. Ooh, look at this table. Alright, we are in the handbag section. This little unicorn looking bag. That one looks like an Alexander one. Oh, it's like a little cat. So cute. Forever 21. Yeah, it is Forever 21. Leather. Deluxe. Fake Fendi. Leather. So many handbags, and most of them are just like pleather bags. What's this one? Kate Landry. We have all these bags down here. Hang them up just a little bit so it's not so hot messish on the floor. Okay, we're in the knick-knack section. Little bunny. How cute is this little turtle? Ooh, geode. $4.99. Kind of cool. Yeah. Ooh, okay. Nope, $1.99.
We had a statue of that here, and someone, like, I guess it went like viral on Facebook. Oh wow! They bought it and they sold it back for $1,500.
Ooh. Oh, it's like a boxwood letter. Is that a W? Oh, this is cute with little bees. Seattle cup. Oops, sorry. Look at the design on these Converse. Converse All-Stars. They're actually like almost like new, huh? Like they are new. They don't look like they've ever been used. Slippers.
Manpower to keep them clean, and we don't.
Ooh, look at this little apple. $5.99. That's cute. Put like a little sauce in there. Huh. That's actually really cute. I am finally in the dinnerware section, hoping to find some goodies. Uh-oh, there's an accident back there somewhere. I'm just looking at all the stuff that they have. I'm always interested in these like crystal bowls. I know I'm gonna find something amazing one day. Like can't like help but look underneath them. Just, oh, this is cute. Little leaf thing. And oh, look at that flower. Ooh, look at these little platters over here. Platters are pretty nice. Look at that nice serving platter. Huh. I wonder who makes those. Little glass plates. Okay, we are in the mug section. How cute are these glass mugs? Ooh, and they're like double barreled. They're from Cyprus. Cyprus is the brand. There's 2 of them. These are cute. There you go. Cyprus, designed in Richmond, Virginia. Those would be fun for the holidays, right? Interesting. I'm considering those. Guys, this is such a fun mug too, with the different haircuts. Okay, I found the mugs. They're $28 for one mug on Amazon. I don't know. This is Amazon price, $28. Interesting. I found it on Pinterest. I went through all these glasses. I don't see any more of these Christmas tree ones. Yeah, I don't think there's any more. Okay, let's check out the rest of the store. That Crosley clock is pretty cute. I think this thing makes stickers. Rotisserie, sewing machine.
Not really, but I think that.
Excuse me. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Got trapped back there, so I had to go the wrong way in the aisle. How cute is that? Okay. Someone donated like their owl stuff. These are all from Pier 1 too. They got some Airborne. Those Airborne like the drink things are actually like really tasty. I don't know if you guys have ever had them. Remember Mom got them once and I was like, wow, these are like actually really good. Oh, look at that cute phone cases. So I got like this thing for my phone. This thing right there from the Goodwill today. But it's just like too much. I'm just gonna like peel it off my phone and give it to Mom. But I do like it. I was trying to see if I liked it more than a pop sockets, and I do. And it fits on my thing, like on the dashboard in the car. So it's perfect. So I think I'm just gonna get a different one. The glittery one is just like a little too much for me. Wow, look at the furniture back here. They got some cool pieces. This Adirondack chair though is really nice, but it's $100. But it's really cute. Too bad the orange is the color of the day and not yellow. Then I would get that in a second. Hey guys, okay, so we are back at the house. It's actually a day later, but I wanted to share with you guys what we ended up getting from the Goodwill. So this is the first time I've been to that store in so long, and I think I've only ever been there definitely once, maybe twice, but yeah, we haven't been there in years. So, I did only get two things, and it's just, these two glass mugs. I thought they were so festive because they have like the Christmas trees and snowflakes on them. Again, they're by a brand called Cypress Home, and I looked them up on Amazon. They're like 28 bucks a mug, which is crazy, but these are just so cute. I just wanted to get them because they were like festive, and like these would be like super cute to have for coffee. I do have like right now on my coffee cart that I have in the like in between the living room or the dining room and the kitchen, I do have like those taller double barrel glass mugs like this, but this one like will also work really well for the coffee, plus it has like the festive little tree on it, and I know that my sister and my mom are probably gonna want to use them all the time because they love cute stuff like this too. They're just like me, so we're probably gonna be fighting over these, but now I'll have like 4 sets of those mugs, even though they're like kind of different, but it'll still be fun and great for the holiday season. And yeah, that is pretty much all I got. It was really nice going into that store and seeing it. I feel like it was a lot bigger now than it was last time, where they definitely changed the layout, which is awesome. And it's in it's like in an area of Orange County that I don't normally go to, because it's kind of like out of the way of like my circuit of stores that I shop at. But I don't know, it was fun to mix it up because there's a Savers just down the street that I went to for the first time this whole entire year, which is awesome too. That was very exciting to see what they had over there and see how the store is and all that stuff. The last time I was at that Savers, I think it was when I was there with oh my gosh, my head is like, I'm like pulling a blank right now. What is it? Whoa, Thrifters Anonymous. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. But it was so much fun going over there and thrifting with them. So if I remember, I'm gonna try and have that video linked if you guys want to check it out. They are such awesome gals, and I love them so much. I can't wait for them to come back and we can all go thrifting again, and hopefully like this whole pandemic thing ends really, really soon so that can actually happen. But thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comments what your latest thrift find has been. I love always hearing about your finds as well. And with that being said, we're actually going to do a thrift find of the day, and I have one right over here. Where is it? Here we go. We have Lupe. Hi, Hadrian. I found a Coach tote for $5.99. It was a little bit dirty, but I cleaned it up. It's like new. It's like a new score. New score. Thank you for sharing. Absolutely love and enjoy all your videos. Lupe, thank you so much for sharing your find. You know what? For me, it's so rare to find like any Coach bags do pop up, but like I feel like no bags are ever really $5.99. Like whenever I go and look at like any bag at the thrift store, I feel like $5.99 is like maybe like a wallet, and then the handbags start like higher than that. Like I feel like $6.99 or even $7.99 is like the lowest the handbags usually start at. So congratulations, Lupe, on that amazing Coach find, and I love you guys immensely. Tune in tomorrow bright and early for a new video at 7 a.m. and I'll bid you guys all adieu. Alright, bye!